Want to be more popular than Santa this year? This video will show you how to give the best gift ever. The most wonderful time of the year is here, and who doesn't appreciate a gift that appreciates? If you got Bitcoin for Christmas last year, your present has now doubled in value. Gifting someone their first Bitcoin can be a bit daunting, but Ledn makes it easy and free with Ledn transfers. Ledn transfers let you send Bitcoin to anyone with or without a Ledn account, instantly and for free. How do I send Bitcoin to someone that doesn't have a Ledn account? Easy. All you need is their email address. Ledn transfers let you send Bitcoin to a person's email address and prompts them to open an account to accept their transfer. And don't worry, if the recipient does not accept the transfer in 30 days, the transaction is cancelled and the balance is deposited back to your Ledn transaction account. If you're sending Bitcoin to someone that already has a Ledn account, simply ask them to share their Ledn transfer handle with you and you'll be able to send them Bitcoin instantly and for free. Spread the love of Bitcoin this year and may all your Christmases be orange. Ho Ho Hodl.